2026 is the year when Tesla going to release its new model named Model 2. This is $25,000 Tesla Model 2 car which will hit in the market in 2025 or in 2026. It will have a range of 250 miles. So Tesla plans to release a budget-friendly Model 2 with an entry price of $25,000 to $30,000. Model 2 expected to be manufactured in three cities: Mexico, Berlin and Shanghai. And in these places Tesla has made Gigafactories. If you want to buy this new car, then you have to wait for 1 or more 2 years. Model 2 expected to compete directly with Chevy Equinox EV. All this car offers 300 miles of range for roughly $30,000. Another upcoming rival is Fisker Pair, which is set to be introduced within next 2 years. Now, what are the important features of Tesla Model 2 cars? Will have ambient LED light, ventilated seat, high resolution radar system, heated steering wheel. Most important feature is 15-inch touch screen with Tesla Autopilot software system. In India, Tesla has also given information related to budget-friendly car which is equal to Tesla Model 2 car. As for a name, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has previously ruled out Model 2 while some rumors have floated Model C or Model Q instead. So it is not clear if the Model 2 or C or Q, whatever it is called, will be a sedan, hatchback or SUV. But upcoming Tesla Model 2, C or Q car will be smaller than Tesla Model Y.